Hey guys, welcome back to my channel This and That. In today's video, we will be baking a super yummy cake which is very easy to make. In case you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing to my channel. So let's get started. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below. We are going to start by sieving the dry ingredients first, that is 150 grams of refined flour or Maida and half a tablespoon of baking powder. Sieving the dry ingredients will make our batter lump free and also help in mixing it well. You can also sieve the icing sugar with the dry ingredients, but I prefer to dissolve it in milk along with vanilla essence. Here I am dissolving 100 grams of icing sugar in 50 ml milk. Keep stirring until the sugar dissolves completely and add 2 to 3 drops of vanilla extract. Now we will be adding about 20 grams of milk powder to our bowl of dry ingredients. Sponge cakes are mostly made of eggs, flour and sugar. Making this eggless sponge cake is not only easy and quick but also tastes delicious. Here I am adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of Indian clarified butter or ghee and add the mixture of milk, sugar and vanilla extract and give it a good whisk. Keep mixing until you get a good consistency batter. It should neither be too runny nor too thick. Now take a mold that is greased with butter or ghee and transfer the batter to this mold. Transfer the batter and tap it a few times to remove air bubbles and bake it in an oven or a pressure cooker. Here I will be baking it in a cooker for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure you cover the preheated cooker with a plate. Avoid using the lid of the pressure cooker itself. Here is our yummy cake ready. It is baked just right. Let's take it out of the mold and have a bite. Our cake has turned out to be really yummy and fluffy. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.